Hello, welcome back to our Puzzle 1 tutorials. I hope you've been following us in our previous videos, right? Very good, very good, very good, very good. Make sure that you continue to follow us. Try and turn the notification bell on so that anytime I upload video, you'll be able to get it fast, okay? Now subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like it. Don't forget, don't just watch it and go. Make sure you subscribed. And then you like the videos. Your comment is very, very important to us so that we know how we can modify it. Yes. Now let's look at this particular question. We are supposed to find the value of m. But how do you see it? We have our center to be O and our DC. Now since the center is O, it means that the DC is the diameter. You know, this one is not drawn to scale. Yes. Now DC becomes the diameter. Now since we have DC as our diameter, we can think of our diameter rule. What does the diameter rule says from property 1, previous video? It says that when the diameter forms an angle at the circumference of a circle, that angle is 90 degrees. So our diameter is here. This one forms an angle at B. So this one is 90 degrees. It's 90 degrees. Yes. Now, we can also consider our cyclic quadrilateral. Can you see that this one is also cyclic quadrilateral? Can you see it? We have this, this, and this forming a quadrilateral in the circle. So it is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now, how are you going to solve it? Cyclic quadrilateral, we said that the opposite angle add up to 180 degrees. So which ones are the opposite angles? This one is opposite to this side. So these two angles add up to 180 degrees. So 120 plus here. This angle is angle BCD. Plus here is supposed to give us 118 degrees because of the opposite angles. Now when we are able to get this one, we can add this, and this to give us 180 degrees. Because it is a triangle. So first we are going to apply our cyclic quadrilateral where the opposite angle here plus here is supposed to give us 180 degrees, and after getting the answer we add here plus the 90 plus here to get a value of m, so to give us 180 degrees. So let's begin. Solution. So I have this angle, which is angle BCD here, plus this one. Let me write it straight. 120 is supposed to give us 180 degrees. So BCD will give us 180 degrees minus 120. A group of items. So BCD gives us what? 60 degrees. Now after we've gotten our BCD to be 60 degrees, here is 60 degrees. 60. This one forms a triangle. So 60 plus here, which is 90 per our diameter rule, plus the m supposed to give us 180 degrees. Yes. So we can add it so that we can get a value for m. So we can say our m plus here, which is 90, plus here, which is now 60, supposed to give us 180 degrees. So m plus 90 plus this one gives us 150 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. So we can easily get a value for m, which is 30 degrees. I hope it's okay. Very simple. Very, very simple. Let's take the second question.